You know, part of my role and Chris's role is to help build leaders. You know, I don't go on the floor much anymore and go through the weight stations and make sure people are on the floor. I don't get to do nearly much as the operation stuff as I did as I was coming up through the ranks as assistant manager or what have you. So as we've gone through the last few years, you know, working with our leaders has become more and more important, as almost anyone in this room will know. You've been through those meetings where we talk about that. And about 3 years ago, Chris and I started the mantra of your role as a supervisor is to make yourself the hero to your team. That's your job. They look to you to make sure that they're comfortable in their environment, that they have what they need, that they have the tools that they have the training. Your role is to make yourself the hero to your team. And that's a real challenge. I mean, not every employee wants to have a hero. Not every employee is that dedicated to the organization. So to take that and own it and actually embody it is a huge undertaking. And I can say unequivocally, of all of the leaders that we have, Betty is probably one of the top in embodying that. We specifically moved her to the Firefly Buffet to help make sure that the largest kitchen we have has a morale increase, and she's done that. That no matter where we go, because of her expertise in almost every kitchen, she'll jump in and help. We've got a new concession trailer that we're going to take all over the state, and we had no clue as to how to start this. We've never had a concession trailer before. Betty stepped up and said, you know what, my area's running well, I'll help with that. I'll help build that menu, I'll put it out in associate dining, I'll help run that. And everything she does is, how can I make my employees feel like they're important, like I'm their hero? And I can't thank her enough for that, because we need to take that message and build it across the rest of our leaders, and she's sure doing a good job helping us get that out.